What if I told you darkness isn't just the absence of light but something scientists can actually create? We've all grown up thinking of darkness as simply what happens when light disappears. Turn off a lamp, walk into a cave, or wait for the sun to set, and darkness just fills the space. But reality, it turns out, is far stranger. Darkness can be engineered, crafted, designed, and even measured in ways that challenge everything you thought you knew about light and shadows. The story starts with the basic idea: shadows aren't just empty spaces. They're formed when something blocks light, but scientists have learned how to take control of this process using advanced materials and technology. What if you could create a zone where light simply can't go, not because something blocks it, but because the material itself absorbs and traps almost every photon? Enter the world of engineered darkness. Researchers use materials like carbon nanotubes, tiny structures, thinner than a human hair, that absorb nearly all incoming light. When these materials are applied to surfaces, they create areas so dark that you can't even make out shapes or edges. It isn't just a shadow, it's a true absence of reflected light, almost like staring into a void. This technology has practical uses too. NASA coated the inside of telescopes with these ultra-black materials to minimize stray reflections, allowing astronomers to see faint stars that would otherwise be lost in glare. Meanwhile, artists and designers have used these engineered blacks to create optical illusions, objects that look impossibly flat or disappear entirely when coated in these materials. But the science runs deeper. At the quantum level, researchers are using carefully tuned lasers and metamaterials, structures designed to manipulate light waves, to create controlled shadow zones. These can shield sensitive experiments from electromagnetic interference or even guide the flow of photons in optical circuits. Here, darkness isn't accidental, it's a precise tool, engineered to meet exact requirements. The drive to engineer darkness is about more than cool tricks. It reveals just how much we misunderstand the nature of light. Darkness is not simply nothing, it's a state that can be designed, measured, and manipulated. By mastering the interplay between light and material, scientists are rewriting our understanding of physics and opening new doors in technology and art. So next time you see a shadow, remember, it's not just an absence. It could be the result of careful engineering, a story brought to life by the science of light. Follow Lorelight for more stories worth knowing.